What if you could get paid every single week just for managing other people's live streams? On Niki Live, agencies don't just get a cut. They get 70% commission bonuses from sub-agencies and weekly rewards up to $4,000. And the platform literally helps you grow. Here's how to build an agency that pays you while you sleep. First, let's define what an agency is on Niki Live. You recruit hosts, you manage them, you make sure they follow the rules and stream consistently. In return, you earn a percentage of everything your hosts make, from gifts, calls, and in-room games. But you're not alone. The platform gives you system support and growth guidance, especially when you hit higher targets. This isn't a side hustle, it's a real business. Now, let's talk about the 70% commission, because this is where people get confused. The host policy says hosts get 70% of regular gift revenue. So where does the agency fit in? According to the agent's policy, your commission comes from the host's total bin income. Gifts, calls, games, excluding platform task rewards. You don't take the host's 70%. Instead, the platform pays you a separate percentage based on your agency's total weekly revenue. The rate starts at 4% and goes all the way up to 20% for top agencies. So, if your team earns big, you earn big without ever touching the host's share. One of the biggest advantages, weekly pay. The platform calculates your commission every natural week, Monday through Sunday. Then, every Monday, Niki Live deposits bins directly into your agent's account. You can withdraw them immediately as long as you have at least 10 USD worth, that's 100,000 bins, and the money arrives within 24 hours. No waiting for 30 days, no invoicing, just weekly, predictable income. But here's where the real leverage comes in. Sub-agencies. You can invite other users to become sub-agents under you. You earn the commission difference between your rate and theirs. Let me give you the exact example from the policy. You have 1.7 million bins in weekly revenue. That puts you at a 7% commission rate. Your sub-agency has 400,000 bins, a 4% rate. When you combine your revenue, your total becomes 2.1 million bins, which pushes you up to an 11% rate. Now, you earn 11% on your 1.7 million, which is equivalent to $18.7, plus the difference, which is 11% minus 4%, which equates to 7%. On their 400,000, another $2.8. That's money for their work, and you only earn from direct sub-agencies, not sub-agencies. But still, that's passive income on top of passive income. Now, what does system support and growth guidance actually mean? The policy makes it clear. Agencies are expected to supervise hosts, ensure compliancy, and guide them to produce quality content. But in return, the platform gives you ranking-based rewards, clear growth paths, and structured level bonuses. You're not guessing what to do next. You know exactly how many valid hosts you need, how much revenue, and what rank to hit. And when you do, the platform pays you on top of your regular commission. And that brings us to the biggest number, weekly rewards up to 4,000. Look at the agent's level table from the policy. Level 1, top 90, 15 valid hosts, 10 million bins, which is equal to 180 reward. Level 5, top 15 to 30 valid hosts, 50 million bins, which is equivalent to $850 reward. Then we have level 8, top 7, 30 valid hosts, 110 million bins, which is equivalent to $1,800 in reward. Then we have level 9, top 5, 175 million beans, which is equivalent to $3,000 reward. And then level 10, top 1,225 million beans, equivalent to $4,000 reward. And here's the key. These rewards are weekly and on top of your regular commission, but you can only claim the reward for your current level. And if you're outside the top 7, you can only complete levels 1 through 7. Top 7 agencies get access to levels 8, 9, and 10. Now, before you get too excited, there are hard requirements. Your agency must have more than 10 hosts. Each host must stream at least 1 hour per day, 4 days per week, and you must hit 500,000 beans within 2 weeks, or the agency gets dissolved. Also, a valid host is defined as someone who streams 6 days per week and 15 total hours per week, Monday to Sunday cycle. So you can't just recruit anyone. You need consistent, quality streamers. And no cheating. Fraud means immediate loss of rewards and participation privileges. The policy also has strict rules you must follow. You cannot recruit hosts from other agencies on the platform. You cannot promote other apps. Hosts cannot join multiple agencies. If discovered, then your account is banned immediately. And you cannot deduct extra fees from host salaries. Currency conversion loss is capped at 5% above Google's exchange rate. Now, you might be wondering, what could be the first offense for poaching hosts? That's $10 fine. Second offense, $100 repeated violations. All commissions forfeited and cooperation terminated. Severe damage to the platform can even lead to legal action. Follow the rules and the platform protects you. Break them and you lose everything. So how do you actually start so as to become a Niki Live agent? I've done a video on how to actually become an agent on Niki Live. So what you need to do is reach out to the description section and you're gonna find the link to the video that I did on how to become an agent and the benefits of becoming an agent. Step by step, I explain them all. But in the meantime, let me just sufficiently touch on the things that you need to do for you to become an agent. So number 1, download Niki Live from the App Store or Google Play. Then you register a regular Niki Live account. If anything, once you just click the link in the description section, you'll be prompted to download the app. Then you actually apply to become an agent right from the beginning. And when you're done with that, that's it. No special invite code, no hidden fees. Once you are activated, you can start recruiting hosts and sub-agencies immediately. Niki Live Agents program gives you weekly pay, up to 20% commission with 70% going to your hosts, sub-agency overrides, system support, and weekly rewards up to $4,000, all on top of your regular earnings. If you already manage streamers or you know how to recruit, this is your opportunity to build a real recurring income stream. Download Niki Live today, register, and then make sure that you apply for agency. Drop the word agency in the comments if you want me to make a video on how to recruit and retain valid hosts fast. Like, subscribe, and start building. Your first weekly payout is this Monday.